Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I set up my emails for my business. Hope you enjoy. Alright everybody, hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be screen recording and showing you guys exactly what I do step by step to create my emails that I send out monthly in Shopify. Okay, so here is where I go in order to do my emails for Shopify. I'm starting out on the home screen and I go to marketing. And then I just go straight to create campaign. When you click create campaign, this window pops up prompting you to choose whatever apps you may have. There are some texting apps you can use. There are different email apps you can use like Saguno and a few others. I just use Shopify's email that's built in. It's a lot easier. When you get to this screen, you have two options. You can either use a branded template that Shopify has created for you, or if you've already made an email, you can click previous emails, choose an email, and edit that by itself. So we're gonna choose this one, and we're gonna edit it to be an email for April. Let's see, shed some light on your accessories. I don't know, April showers bring May flowers. That's about all I got. So we're gonna do a 10% discount code again. So I have a VIP emailer list, and my VIP emailer list pretty much is just once a month, or sometimes more than once a month, they'll get an email that goes to them with a discount code in it. And the only way you can get this is if you're part of my email list, and that's kind of just the boost. I don't really give out discounts very often besides to my emailers, unless it's like the holidays. So that's just one of my little marketing tools that I use to kind of get people to sign up, and so far it's worked fairly well. But like I said, I'm just starting out, so everything's a little slow. So preview text is going to be April showers. Bring discounts. I'm corny, don't judge me. Here is a 10% off discount to brighten your rainy days, especially in Florida. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. So here, I've already kind of set up the way I want my emails to look. It's fairly simple. So here what I do is I will change the little thing that says here. And for April, we can do Bring on the Rain. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change what this says because it's not March anymore. Show off your style, rain or shine. Show off your style, rain or shine. Use code, and this says style. That's not the code that I'm going to use, so I'm going to change it to showers. Wow, not all caps though. What's good? I'm going to change to showers, take 10% on, and then the website. Now here, and y'all are getting the tea, you can see the discount, so you're welcome. So here, when you click discount, it'll show you all the discounts that you've already made in order to change this discount and make the link actually clickable. What you need to do, or what I do, is I go back to my Shopify dashboard. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And I go to discounts. When I get to discounts, I just click create discount. Now you have two options. Since I'm doing this for my VIP emailer list, I choose discount code, so they can put a code in when they're at checkout. If I wanted to have a discount that was automatically, like, that showed up automatically at checkout, I would use automatic discount. But here I want to use a code so I can put it in the email, and it's specifically for my emailers, my VIPs. And it's a percentage, and it's 10% discount value on all the products in the shop. I don't put any requirements on it, and it's only available to my email subscribers. So once I choose the email subscribers that it's going to go out to, I like to choose to use one limit per customer because they get one discount a month. So use it once. And then for active dates, I choose the whole month. So the start date, oh my goodness, is going to be April 1st. And the start time is going to be like 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm sorry now. My cat is losing his mind. And then I also choose an end date because I set one every month and it's only used once. So if I weren't to set an end date, you'd be able to use this whenever you wanted, but only one time, and that's not very helpful. I choose it to end at 12 o'clock in the morning at the end of the month, and I save the discount. Now be aware that you cannot combine the discount with other, so if you do an automatic, like automatically applied at checkout, you can't use that with a discount code. I haven't figured out how to change that yet, but that's okay. So you save it, and when you go back in here, I click change, and you should see showers. When you click that, it'll change right here to showers. And then down in this little box right here, what I like to do is I want to choose an image. So I'm going to click change, and I'm actually going to choose an image that I took of my jewelry I'm super proud of. So we're going to share that bad boy, and we're going to upload it from the computer. So you click upload, and then you just kind of gotta, find your photo that you want to use. So I'm going to go into my earrings photos. Look at all this jewelry. Yes! And I'm actually going to choose this photo. I really like this picture a lot. And eventually it'll upload. I like to use a GIF, whichever. And I'll go to Giphy.com normally, like where you saw the kisses, but this is the first time I'm using a photo, kind of to showcase what I've got. They already, most of the people who are on my emailer list also follow me on Instagram and all that fun stuff, because, I'm just starting out, so it's friends and family and a few other people. But that's the email right there. I'm sending it to my 16 email subscribers. The preview is going to go to my email when I'm ready to get it done. So make sure that your spelling is correct, that your exclamation points and whatever periods, all that fun stuff, make sure that's all correct, because once you hit review, you can't change anything. You have to redo the whole email, and it's not that big of a deal. You can totally redo the email. But I like to get it done in one go. I like to get it and set it and forget it, whichever you want to go with. So here you need to be careful. If you hit send, you're just going to automatically send this email to all your peeps, but the discount code won't work until March. So you have to click schedule and choose the send date. My send date is going to be April 1st. I always have them send out the first of the month at 10 o'clock in the morning. And you hit schedule. So now there's a problem with my request, and it makes me very sad. It's all good. So now I've scheduled my email. That's all there is to it. Alright everyone, I hope the video that I made for you today was insightful and helpful to some of you who may have been having some issues or wondering how to use email through Shopify. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure to go check out Vital Box Jewelry for all your jewelry needs. Haha, plug. Also leave in the comments below if you thought this was simple, if you thought this was difficult, if there's an easier way to do it. I would love to hear about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.